So if you're asked to rewrite this expression as a single logarithm, let's focus on this guy over here first. There's a property of our logarithms that says if you have some constant a times some logarithm with base b of some number x, that's the same thing as that same logarithm with the a raised as the power there. A constant multiplier can come on top of that power. So we got a 1/2 multiplying to the log. We're going to move the 1/2 up on top of the parentheses here, on top of the whole thing that's being that has a logarithm being taken of it. Okay, so you can see how it's been rewritten over here. The 1/2 got to come up top. So that means something to the 1/2 power means you're taking the square root of that something. And another property we can use is that if everything's being taken the logarithm of to the same base, and all three of these are, because a natural log, ln, means that it's being taken to the base of e, we get to use this property. Log of base b of some number a plus log of base b of some number b is equivalent to the log of the same base with a times b. In this case, we have an a, b, and a c. This could be our a, this could be our b, so let's rewrite it. Now this is my a and this is my b, just like we saw in blue over here. We have a plus b, so we can rewrite it as a times b. A times b. Now for the subtraction piece, we just saw that addition of two logs of the same base gets to simplify. We can do something with subtraction too. Two logarithms have the same base and they're being subtracted. You can rewrite it as the division of those two numbers. So a divided by b here. So using that back up here, it was this stuff subtracted by this logarithm. So this could be my a, this could be my b. Instead I'm going to rewrite as division. And there. So let me clean it up a bit. This is all being taken a natural log of. Now it says a single logarithm. There's a little simplification we can do though. Well, not really actually, because nothing's going to really cancel out when you try to simplify. This is you could rewrite this at least as a square root, and in general we try to avoid square roots in the denominator of a fraction. So we're taking the natural log of x minus 3, x plus 3, over the square root of x squared plus 9, because anything to the 1/2 power is the same thing as a square root. And if you want to get rid of the square root in the denominator, multiply the inside of the logarithm by 1 in the form of x square root of x plus 9 over square root of x plus 9. Oh, x squared plus 9. There we go. So we got x plus 3, and then we're going to have over x squared plus 9, and this is going to be square root of x squared plus 9 here, because we multiplied it to the top and to the bottom. But you know, that looks yuckier. If I was a teacher, which I am, I would prefer this as my final answer in black here.